StockX. Secret StockX unboxing. I feel like StockX is like this new secret thing that I just discovered, and maybe people already knew about it, but it literally is like, I'm getting bags way under retail for steal of a deal from across the world. Like, I feel like this is like a best kept secret. So we're gonna unbox it, see if it's real, see how it feels. It's a Goyard bag unboxing, literally half off French retail, more than like 66% off US retail. So this, what? Okay, secret StockX. Stick around, let me know if you guys wanna know more about this. I feel like StockX steals new, like so if you don't know StockX, it's like this marketplace where you bid on a bag, or you bid on items, and there are people that have asks, and you kind of like come together in the middle and meet and make a price. If you guys can agree on a price, like their ask is this, let's say 3,000, and your bid is 1,000, and then you come together and meet at 2,000. It's like offers and like the stock market, or buying a thing, whatever. StockX unboxing. Okay, you guys, I'm really excited about this one. This is another StockX in my StockX series. I'm gonna do a whole video about how StockX works and what I like, what I don't like, all those kind of things. And hopefully StockX, if you're watching and you want to make me a partner or something like that, like, let's talk about it, okay? So I've been placing a bunch of bids on StockX and for things because I've been very lucky. Like, I've been very, very lucky into getting a bunch of bags under retail, under France retail, which is crazy, especially for Goyard. It's mostly Goyard that I'm getting, but under retail, under France retail, which is cheaper than I think the cheapest you can get it, but they're coming usually from Europe or from Asia. So I don't know if it's even cheaper in Asia. I've never actually checked the prices in Asia. But anyway, so I put a bunch of bids out just to see. I put them really, really low on all these bags, different bags and colors and sizes, even colors that I didn't want. I just wanted to see. And so this one accepted, and it shipped literally like that same day, got verified same day, and then was on its way to me from Asia. So let's see how this turned out. It was DHL from Korea. So we're gonna do this quick StockX unboxing of another StockX bag that I literally got. And I think this is like the best kept secret now. And like, you guys should go check it out, because if you wanna get Goyard and you wanna get it cheap, most of it is way over retail. Most of it is way, way, way over retail. So you gotta wait for the right prices. But if you wanna get it cheap and you have a little patience and whatever, maybe you can get one, okay? So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a geek, a luxury lover, Shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick StockX steal sale unboxing of a Goyard bag I got from StockX under retail, more than 50% off. I'm a little surprised and shocked, so let's see what we got and how it turned good out. If you've watched my previous videos, so that's in your shit, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. We'll talk about StockX, we'll talk about how I got this and stuff like that. But if you watch my previous videos, I've had a few bags from StockX now. I've had a bunch of ones that didn't go through for one reason or another. It wasn't verified, it didn't pass, or it wasn't new, or they didn't ship it on time. But this one, so like, you know, it's kind of hit or miss, but this one shipped right away, literally verified right away, and came to me right away. So it was super quick. So let's see what it is. Let's see how it looks and see if it is new, authentic, and you know, whatever, for the price. I'm paying 66% off retail. This is like a steal of a deal. It's like a secret steal of a deal. Okay. First of all, guess what you think I got in the comments below. I paid $4.45, I think, for it. Its retail is $9.10 in Paris and $12.50 in the US. If that helps you figure it out. I'm sure that'll help you figure it out. So I paid $4.45, ended up being $5.35 after all of StockX's fees. So my bid was $445. I just put it a little bit higher than the last person's bid. And the lowest ask was like $1,300 or $1,400. So I didn't think it was gonna go, but then somebody, whoever, one of the bidders or askers or whatever, one of the sellers, just accepted my bid. Just because I got an email the next morning saying, you know, order verified. Because I didn't do the whole negotiation back and forth thing where I went up to their price. I just put a bid in, let it sit, and somebody accepted it. So let's see what we got. I'm really actually very excited about this because it's way, 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 way under retail. Like, this is crazy pants. Props to StockX for always like packaging so nicely. They put a lot of great bubble wrap to save it. A little box. This is so exciting! Oh my god. Like, if this is real, this is really... I mean, obviously they have their whole verification thing and like, they're very rigorous about it. But it got verified so quickly, and like, they do, you can return and you can make it a thing if it's not right, but like, I mean, already so far so good. The box feels correct. Just gonna check to make sure that's it. Okay, whatever, all right. So it was $4.47 was my purchase price, $44 in sales tax, $24 in processing fee, $20 for shipping, so $5.35. Oh, they kept the ribbon in. That's nice. I think you guys must know what it is now. It is the pouch in white. Feels pretty good. Let's see. It is it as shiny as it should be? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to do some investigative work. You know what it is? It's got the little thingy here and a thingy here. That's good. It's got this paper inside, and it's got a little pocket holder in here. Let's just pull this all out. Find the little. Where is the little date code? A little questionable right now because this feels a little thicker and this feels a little, I'm gonna have to compare it to another one, which I don't have, my friends have, so I'm gonna have to ask somebody to compare and see because I'm not 100% sold on this. You guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. What do we think? I don't know. A little questionable. I feel a little questionable about this. So we're gonna create a case just in case while I find out more details, but we'll see. If it is real, $500, great steal of a deal. If it's not real, $500, fake, real of a deal. All right. Oh, maybe the thing is in here. Oh, there it is. Oh, I found it. LME 02, 2023, February 2023. Okay. All right. Well, maybe I'm just overthinking it. I like to think that I sometimes I am skeptical in general, and I'm a pessimistic person in general, so maybe I'm just overthinking it. But what do you think? Little pouch. I'm gonna put it in my bag, obviously, because I want to have a bunch of different pouches to put in my bag to like categorize my different things. I do have an organizer. It's for my Birkin, obviously. I do have an organizer, but I don't know that I want to put it always in. So if I just want to put pouches of stuff instead of like having it keep it, because then it kind of stucks to one shape and kind of also holds it in place, which is good, but also sometimes creates these like lines where the bottom of the organizer hits. So maybe little pouches like this is good. It's white, which means it'll probably get pretty dirty, but that's okay because it's white and it's beautiful and it's fabulous. And I don't know, is the shine right? What do you guys think? The shine feels a little dull, but I don't know if I'm overanalyzing now. We'll see. Okay, well that's all I got. Bring it up close and personal so you guys can see. Unfortunately, don't have anything white to compare this to. So, well, okay. Well, that was the unboxing, and then we're gonna do some research and figure out I gotta get another bag and compare it. All right, I will do that myself and then get back to you guys. Okay, that's all I got. If it's real, I'm really excited. If it's not, I'm really, really sad. Okay, I also ordered 2 more things literally right after both. One was an accidental order. It was too high, but whatever, I'm stuck with it now. So we'll see. And then the other one, way under retail as well. So we'll see what that turns out to be. Stockx. Yeah, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies next, as I know your time is valuable. And especially so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.